In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Subtasks in Jira, Atlassian's powerful project management tool. Whether you're new to Jira or looking to enhance your current workflow, using Subtasks can help break down your work items into manageable chunks, allowing for improved tracking and organization. To begin, navigate to your Jira project, where you'll see your list of tasks or work items. Select the specific task or work item you'd like to work with. Once you've opened that task, you'll notice a section dedicated to subtasks. This area is your key to fragmenting large assignments into smaller, actionable pieces. To add a subtask, simply click on the Add Subtask button in this section. This feature allows you to create a detailed plan for tackling your work item by specifying each component that needs attention. When entering subtasks manually, think about the individual steps required to complete the main task. Consider the resources, people involved, or any dependencies that might play a role. Each subtask should have a clear, concise description to ensure everyone knows exactly what's expected. Alternatively, if you're using Jira's AI tool, you have the option to click the Suggest button. This is a powerful feature that leverages the AI to generate a list of potential subtasks based on the title and description of your chosen work item. This can be a great starting point, especially if you're unsure where to begin. The AI suggestions can offer new perspectives or highlight details you might have overlooked. Once you've started creating subtasks, an interesting feature you'll notice is the progress bar that appears on the main task. This bar will automatically update to reflect the completion of subtasks, giving you and your team a visual representation of how much work has been done and what's still left. This can be incredibly helpful in keeping track of multiple tasks and ensuring deadlines are met without unnecessary surprises. And there you have it. These simple steps can make a significant difference in how you manage tasks within Jira. By breaking down work items into subtasks, you not only make complex tasks more approachable, but also provide your team with better visibility and control over their work processes. Remember to take advantage of Jira's built-in tools, such as the AI-generated suggestions, to optimize your task management further. Thanks for watching, and happy task managing in Jira. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.